Hello guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today I'm here with Isabel. It's
Underscore
Isabel, and this channel is Say Who. Okay guys, today we're going to be talking about dentists guys. The dentist. Isabel has been sick and she's also had a tooth, a wisdom tooth. That's been causing a lot of problems. And I know there are a lot of people out there with that issue. Wisdom tooth, guys, when you have it, when it's infected, you have to get it out of your mouth because it can make you sick. Bad. Isabel, talk about your experience. Isabel went to the dentist today.
So I went to the dentist today because I've been going to the dentist for a while, but I keep canceling my appointment because I'm scared to get my wisdom tooth pulled. But basically, if you don't get it pulled, it can get infected, and the infection can make you feel sick, nauseous, and stuff like that. So that's what's going on with me. So when I went today, she gave me amoxicillin for the tooth or whatever.
Yeah,
she said it's not really infected, but she still gave me the medicine and told me to come back on the 11th to get my tooth
get it extracted. Guys, it is so very important, guys, that you brush your teeth twice a day. I'd say it's supposed to be 3 times a day, but 3 times a day is not realistic. But 2 times a day is a must. When you wake up in the mornings, you brush your teeth before. As soon as you jump out of bed, you brush your teeth, okay, before you eat. And the last thing you should be doing before you go to bed at night is you brush your teeth and you floss with these things. Look, these are called tooth floss. And you floss like that, you go down like that, and you floss and floss and floss down. The way how the teeth grows, you gotta floss, and then you turn it up again like this for the upper, and you go like this and all the way to the back, all the way. You floss and go all the way. Floss the way how the teeth grows, okay? You gotta make sure you don't do too hard where you're cutting your gums. Cause that's
or
what
you can actually.
You can.
Or sometimes, like the reason why I have issue, I suffer bad plaque from the bottom of my teeth right here,
But
and
there's
the back
no more
of it.
there.
Okay, I got it cleaned out real good today. I have a problem with flossing. Every time I floss, the floss gets stuck in between my teeth, and I'm yanking, and it's not coming out, and it finally comes out, and then I have tooth pain for a week.
Right, because you're not flossing
that's
properly.
why I don't floss my teeth, y'all. But
you have to floss
your teeth. I even went to go buy a water pick just because I don't know how to floss. So I went to go buy the water pick, and I do
oil pulling,
and that helps me.
Oil
I
pulling
have
is
no
good.
cavities, y'all. My teeth is very healthy. I just suffer from plaque from 4 teeth at the bottom. I don't know why.
Ever since you've been a child.
Ever since I've been a child, I felt fuzzies in the back. If you feel fuzzies on your teeth, go get that shit scraped off. That's plaque.
It's plaque, and it's come from, you know what plaques come from? When you eat a lot of cheese. A lot of cheese will give you plaque. A lot of cheese.
If I eat a lot of cheese, y'all.
Yes.
I don't know if I eat
You
a lot
were
of
eating
cheese.
a lot of cheese when you were a child, because you were raised on cheeseburgers.
Cheese and cheese pizza.
Because you didn't like anything else. But guys, it is very important that you check your dentist at least 1 time a year. At least go get your mouth clean. 6 months. Every 6 months, she says no.
She told me I need to come back every 6 months because for some reason I just keep getting the plaque. They just keep coming on my teeth. I don't know why.
Yes.
And I brush my teeth every day. I oil pull, I water pick, I do everything for my teeth. And I still get plaque on the 4 teeth. I don't know why.
It's so very important that, and then not only that, you have to buy good floss. You can't just go and buy any, there's floss at the dollar stores, but I don't recommend those floss at the dollar store. Those are like for $1.25 at Dollar Tree. Go to Walmart or one of those stores and pick up a good, this one is good. I use this one. This one is very good. It has mint flavor on your wintergreen. This one is wintergreen, and it has wintergreen protection over it, so when you put it in your mouth it tastes like wintergreen, and it's a good floss, guys. But you just have to floss according to the way how the teeth grows. You have to floss down, but you cannot go scraping like that because you're gonna tear your gums, and you don't want to be bleeding every time you floss. You have to do gentle floss. Go between the teeth and do it gently all the way to the back, all the way to the back. down the way it grows.
Listen to her, because she got good teeth. She
Yes.
got good teeth, y'all. She do.
The way how it grows, you gotta go down. You gotta be gentle with it. You can't just start scraping your mouth and start tearing out your teeth. You don't do like that.
Yeah.
And you do the upper like that, go all the way until when you bring out all of the food from behind your teeth and your gum. And once you floss, you brush your teeth right away.
Yeah.
You gargle and brush, and Listerine is very good too.
Yeah.
That
I
Listerine,
put Listerine in my
yes,
water pick.
that Listerine mouthwash to soak your mouth in Listerine, even baking soda. Baking soda is good. And another trick for you guys, that why my teeth is like this, another trick, whenever time you put your toothpaste on your toothbrush, get peroxide and pour in it. You know they say not use peroxide. Peroxide is made with some of your
use peroxide.
Yeah, use peroxide and baking soda.
Because when you
yes.
Well, the toothpaste that we use has peroxide in it anyway. But that's not enough. Like you need
to pour it on there. And make sure when you guys brush your teeth, you also rinse out that brush and pour peroxide on your brush and scrape your gum with the peroxide.
It's gonna be nasty.
Yes.
Do it.
And it's good for you to keep the peroxide in your mouth.
Yeah, another thing with this tongue, the brush. Go get a tongue scraper, y'all. The brush is not gonna take nothing.
For some people.
Go get the tongue scraper for everybody.
Because me, I don't need a tongue scraper. I can get it off with my toothbrush.
I'm telling you, think you can, but listen to me. Hear me out. That tongue scraper, that shit gonna get everything off of your tooth. Everything. Like everything off your, not off your tooth. Everything off your tongue.
Off your tongue.
Everything. Like, you can get one like this, and it's like a U, and then
you scrape it off. Scrape it off.
You will not imagine what's gonna come off your tongue. You're gonna be like, ew, what the hell?
And you know what too? Some people think that it's only if you have rotted teeth in your mouth then you have bad breath. It's not true. Sometimes bad breath comes from what's going on inside of your body. Sometimes you're not eating the proper food, and sometimes there's something going on where you have a lot of inflammation on the inside of you, and it also causes bad breath. And a lot of people have bad breath because they don't brush their tongue. You can't only brush your teeth, you have to brush your tongue too, because you eat and swallow. Digestion, scrape it off. Digestion begins inside of your mouth. So once the food is being digested in your mouth, it starts in your mouth. People think that, food digests down in your stomach. Digestion starts in your mouth. So you have to make sure you clean your mouth, and you got to make sure mouth health is very, very important to take care of those teeth. So don't be afraid to go to the dentist. It's not like that anymore where you see a man stand up and have a pliers ready to extract all of your teeth out of your head. Those are just what they used to have people be so afraid.
It's really uncomfortable getting your teeth cleaned. It does not feel good. It actually hurts.
But you still have to do it.
You have to get your teeth cleaned.
You still have to do it, because once you're done with it, you're going to feel way much better. And it's good because, do you know, sometimes when you have infected tooth, you can die from infected tooth?
And
yes,
you can
guys.
Die from the wisdom tooth too.
Yes. Yes.
And then also when you have a wisdom tooth and it's trying to grow out, it can push your other tooth, and that tooth could get infected, and then now you have two infections.
That you gotta deal with.
And then you're gonna have to pull the other one out. You losing 2 teeth for one. Just pull one different infection out, and that's it.
And if you're going through that right now, and if you go to the doctor and the doctor gives you antibiotics for your teeth, make sure you take all of the antibiotics until when it's finished, because if you don't take all of the antibiotics when it's finished, you're going to get reinfected. Okay, I'm telling you that as a nurse. I know these things. So if it's 3-day antibiotic, take off it 3 days. If it's 7 days, take it off. If it's 10, just take it off. Don't stop and start and start. You'll really hurt yourself.
I got reinfected today, y'all.
Yeah, because
I was supposed to take my shit, and I didn't. I took it a couple of days, and then I'm not taking this shit no more.
Yeah, don't be afraid of the dentist.
It got infected.
Yes. What last word you got to tell them about the dentist?
The last thing is, don't be afraid. Just go. This is your teeth. You know what I'm saying? This is
your
a big
health.
part of your health. And if something's wrong with your teeth, you could die from that.
You can also have heart attacks from plaques leaving your teeth and going straight to your heart. So you make sure you brush that teeth in the morning and at night. And before you do that, you floss. Flossing is not difficult. Get used to it. At first, it's going to feel funny to you at first, but take your time and work your way in and get between those teeth and then soak your mouth with Listerine. Brush your teeth afterwards, but it's very healthy to floss. And also oil pulling too. I'm going to do a video on oil pulling, guys, to get you guys know how to do oil pulling safely and effectively. So guys, if you like this video, what I'm saying to you, please go and subscribe to It's_Isabel's channel and subscribe, comment, share, and like. Okay, bye-bye.